Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Nurse Finally Gets Arrested After Terrorizing Family.
First, police are called to a residence after a drunk woman viciously attacks her husband in front of their daughter before storming off in her car and risking their lives.
She's intoxicated driving right now. This is our daughter. Here, I got a recording too. She came back. She's drunk. She threw the heater at me, punched me in the face. I told her to get you drunk. Listen, this is right when it happened.
Younger, leave me alone. I did nothing wrong. You come in and yell at me about a goddamn banana.
Watch.
Yeah.
It's her coming back in.
I'm calling the cops.
She's living here?
Yeah.
You're drunk as fuck. I'm calling the cops on you. Yeah.
How long ago did this happen?
Right when I made the call to dispatch.
Okay.
And I told him I don't want her to put her in jail, but just because I know how backstabbing she is, and when she's drunk, she lies and says I kicked.
Just because you don't want to put her in jail. What he said? Hold on.
Call dispatch.
Okay.
And I told him I don't want her to put her in jail, but just because I know how backstabbing she is, and when she's drunk, she lies and says I kick her and all that shit, I'm making a report because I'm not fucking getting put in jail. Okay. Like I almost got put.
Do you know where she's at right now?
No, I don't know.
Does she have like parents or friends that she might maybe?
We live up north, like with Granny Bloomingdale area. She comes running down the hallway and is like dancing in my face, talking shit, and then kicks me in the back of my leg and spits at me. And then she's walking away, and I just say something to her, like telling her that's. And she goes, "Don't touch me! I'm calling the cops." And we went from there. And then when she was sober the next day, she was calling all over. He didn't hit me. He didn't.
You want to detain her?
We're in the back. If you guys want to talk to us, we're not going to his house.
Hello.
We just want to go care for this lady. We do care for. The past way tonight, he's been a problem. What's the problem?
Okay. What happened today?
Everything happens every day. He has to go to jail, but he's got a lawyer who calls you guys, calls me. So he dropped all the charges before because he has an attorney, by the way. So all that's going to happen, nothing will happen.
What happened?
It's to him.
What happened today, though?
Today, well, he woke up, man. We weren't talking to him. We came in. I said, my patient's gonna die. We have to call her tonight. She's gonna pass away. And then he just blows up because I was about him. I don't see you talking all this stuff. He instigates things.
I could tell she's the type of mom that tries to turn the kids on the father. I could already tell. You got to keep the kids, even if you're having problems, right? You got to keep the kids neutral, and it's tough to do, but like even right now, why is the kid outside? The kid should be in the room somewhere. It's just, come on.
You guys are recording this to hold his phone up. So I don't even know. But is this now like new? I mean, maybe you're new, but I mean, this is no new story here.
No, I've been here like 9 years, but I don't think I've ever talked to either of you guys before.
Yeah, so. He just needs to just grow up. He needs to grow up.
Gotcha. So, did anything happen? Because he called, like, why would he have called us?
Because he calls all the time, because he's mad that he got in trouble. He got arrested one time. But he has a lawyer that was calling me, calling the police department. It got dropped at Kankakee. They dropped it. He's an asshole. He does horrible things to people. He has restraining orders, and I'm gonna get a restraining order against him one day too. Like, I don't even know what he calls, but I didn't want to go back to the person's house, so I came back. Well, we didn't leave, but
so what?
We're just waiting for this to happen.
I was inside. Can you repeat what's your side of the story of what's going on and why he has marks in his face? And
he does not have that. Oh, okay.
Well, he does clearly.
Well, first of all, I don't believe that. He's bipolar. He's even pulled a gun. He's told me that he's gonna kill himself.
Okay, I'm asking about today. I'm aware of everything else.
Today, I have no idea what the marks. You're asking about today. I have no idea what the marks on his face. But I know he shoved me 2 days ago. I know that. The marks on his face, I do not know. I do not believe them for a second.
Okay, well, why is there a heater thrown on the table over here and a mark on his back?
I do not know.
You don't know?
I do not know.
Okay.
You see those punches all on every door? You see how our frame is broken? Do you see all this other stuff? I have no idea.
I'm not talking about that because I can't prove
That's a beautiful thing, but I'm telling you, look at the marks everywhere, and you tell me. But go ahead. So I don't know about the heater. I don't know about this other crap, okay?
Can we get her to go inside because it's a little cold out here. We don't need her, or you guys can come inside.
But you know what? It's just
I don't even want to watch this shit no more. This is pissing me off. Like the fact that the kid is there is the part that's really pissing me off. Like, man, that shit is just. I really don't even want to watch this shit no more.
No, I don't even know what we're supposed to do because we did all this. You guys even called Child Protective Services on him. I don't know what to do right now.
Okay, so I'm trying to get the story of today because you're kind of feel like you're not really going into today, and that's what I need to know.
Well, you're telling me I threw a heater and I scratched him up. I did not.
So I'm just.
So what else do you want to know?
So why are you in this state right now?
Because
so
we were arguing.
Okay.
Because we were arguing earlier. We were arguing yesterday. We were arguing last night. We were arguing the day before. He makes stress to me all the time. So why am I crying? I cry every day.
Okay, so what was the argument today about?
Oh God, I don't even know what starts it. You know what? One was because he broke the curtain rod. You know, because he broke the curtain rod. He got mad. He stepped on it. So he couldn't hang it. So that prompted one. If you go through our text messages, that's what prompted the one from yesterday. It's carried over until today. But the curtain rods like started it, and then I don't know. You gotta ask him. If he says I did it and I'm saying I'm not, let's just take it from here because, you know, I did not touch this person and neither, but he's touched us a million times. I didn't even call you guys because the last time I tried to, you guys came for her. So I'm not even ever to call you guys for anything, ever. You guys have failed. I'm so upset.
Can we have her step inside? You're facing the rest of
Yes, sorry.
And I didn't charge you. I said you don't go to jail.
So we're gonna go outside.
I did not touch you.
Yes, you did.
No, Nick, you know I didn't. You know I didn't. You know I didn't. It's okay. Oh my God. You guys
Honey, I told her.
No, go inside. Go inside. Go inside.
You know I didn't.
Out me saying.
You know I didn't.
Go inside.
And I protected you when you beat me.
I
Okay,
told her
I'm
not to.
29, we got 195.
I'm
got to.
Will you go inside?
You know
you're
I'm not
not helping right now. Okay, go inside.
Oh my God,
We're trying to get her. And you call.
This is done. You know you're a liar.
You guys
You're a liar. You're a liar.
We signed a complaint. You're signing a complaint.
Oh, that's right.
You were saying this tape.
I did not do anything.
You put his back and did it.
Oh my God, you're not.
Okay, well he has more.
I got you.
I did not.
You have anything on you that's sticking her recovery?
No.
Okay.
Oh my God, I have to tell this woman. This woman's gonna die tonight. This is such a lie. This is such a lie. This is such a lie. I want an attorney right away. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. Oh my God. I can't believe this is happening.
Do you have anything?
No, I do not.
Okay.
Stop, just trust me. Don't
I'm trying. You're screaming in my face.
Because you keep asking the same damn question. Do I think it's going to poke you?
I was going to say, do you have any pockets under your jacket?
No, I do not.
Hey,
Check it out.
I'm going to.
You want to arrest me like a fool? Go ahead. Don't you touch me. There. You have a woman touch me. Put me in the car. Let's go. You're embarrassing me in front of this freaking the neighborhood.
I'm trying to unzip this so I can get everything under.
Don't you touch my breasts.
I'm not touching your breast. I'm unzipping
Don't
your
you
jacket.
touch my jacket.
I have to touch your jacket.
Let him do it then because I think
Okay.
you're...
Okay, go ahead. He can search you.
I can check it. We're just unzipping it, okay?
You got like a chip on your shoulder. You think you're something hard.
She does not.
Oh, he
have
does.
Any pockets? No, I was saying you don't have any pockets. I was letting him know, okay?
Yep. Just like they tried to do it to him when they arrested him. He had a lawyer. I got the same damn lawyer. You gotta be joking me. Oh my God.
Ma'am, your vape. The jail will throw it away.
Throw it
Do
away.
you want me to leave it here?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys been dying to arrest me for calling you guys before for him. I know it. Shame on you guys. You can't be arresting people like willy-nilly. People have lives. You don't listen to the other side of the story. You guys been allowed to arrest me inside the house? You guys grabbed me from inside my house. Is that even legal? It is. It's legal to grab somebody inside their house and arrest them?
Go ahead and step out, and you're going here at this blue table, and they're going to take the cuffs off you, okay? That blue table right there, straight ahead.
No, they turned them out. They're turned out. I know. Oh, I understand. I've been asking him. I'm supposed to on camera say that it's dying tonight. I say, tell her if I call him, you're going to watch me text her.
We'll let you get some numbers out of your phone. And
I'm not getting, can I just text this woman?
we can't have the text line.
Well, she's dying. She can't answer.
No, unfortunately.
Oh, it's so inconsiderate. It's so rude.
Take the cuffs off and hands on the counter.
Sure.
The suspect was charged with domestic battery, child endangerment, and driving under the influence. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like.
Yeah, I mean, she failed to be able to explain how he has marks. How is the heater thrown? You know, she has failed to explain that. All she wants to talk about is things that happened days prior and past incidents and stuff like that, man. I hate that the child is stuck in the middle, man, and hopefully I wish maybe an outside family member, either one or two things have to happen. They're constantly getting into it. They got to split. If they can't get along, they have to split. It is what it is. Or somebody else got to take the child, because this is too much. Too much. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.